You have a taste.
My Naija I don't bring no bonga Bishop News story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. The Nigerian Communication Commission will be NCC don confirm say the reason why the internet service not dey good for millions of Nigerian users and even for Africa say na because the cable wey connect the West Coast damage and it go take weeks and months before they go work as say because it dey under sea. The head of reaction unit South Africa don talk say the gbege wey say e happen on Thursday, March 14, 2024 for inside Waterloo, KwaZulu Natal. Say na because 6 years old boy wey be say e carry matches go dey play come go burn im mama Mercedes-Benz SUV as the fire come burn the motor burn am to ashes for inside their house. One lady wey be say be mother of 3 children wey be say just finish the NYSC service don come do parade for her husband wey the husband name na Gbenga as im come dey appreciate the husband come dey tell am thank you for how im take send am take go school and now she don finish it to make am proud of. As im come remove her cap come wear the husband for head come also come pull her khaki wey be say she wear come wear am for the husband body to show appreciation and thank you to the husband.
Hey, thank you for everything, sir. I really appreciate you, sir. Hip, hooray! I really appreciate all the things you have done for me. Thank you very, very, very much. Thank you, sir. You are now a new Papa Gbenga.
The Nigerian military don promise say they go rescue 287 students of government secondary school for inside Kaduna State wey Mila bandits dem be kidnap and na the director of Defense Media Operations Major General Edward Buba na him come out to come yarn this talk for inside Abuja on Thursday, March 14, 2024. Senator Ned Nwoko wey be the husband of the ogbonge Nigerian actress wey be Regina Daniels don come out to come yarn on top one interview as him come talk say lie o say he no fit marry any woman wey not be virgin. This one come show say all the wife wey say Senator Ned Nwoko marry all of them are virgin plus including Regina Daniels.
You have a taste.
Oh yes.
I mean, well, you must have been a man of vision to be able to cite a woman and say, I see something in this woman to marry her.
I mean, for her particularly, I marry her because she is from my place. I can't marry a woman who is not a virgin.
The Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Thursday, March 14, 2024, don drag the former Kogi State Governor wey be Yahaya Bello take go Federal High Court wey dey for inside Maitama, Abuja. Say because of the 84 billion naira money wey be say intifitalized during wey be say him be governor, and also the arrest in nephew wey be Ali Bello and Dawuda Suleiman, also Abdullah Sam Hudu. Ogbonge accident don happen along Amasoma Yanagwa inside Bayelsa State early in the morning on Saturday, March 16, 2024. But thank God to say nobody moved by or get ogbonge wunjo on top this accident. As the people dey say they get accident, come dey thank God. Say na only motor na im scatter, but their life not moved by.
Hello?
Papa, no.
The Uyo Zonal Command of Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Thursday, March 14, 2024, don catch one barber and 11 other Yahoo people them for inside Akwa Ibom State. As Economic and Financial Crime Commission talk, we say they arrest them based on the information where they get and the evidence we say they see say that they do illegal activities them. And now on Friday, now Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC post this story on top their X handle. The Oni of Ife don dey thank God though as him and him wife will be the third wife will be Olori Toby Phillips as a welcome one set of twins, and the mama and the children all of them dey kampe and they dey kakaraka. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State don order say make food produce for Onuje Food Market say make dem sell am at a discount of 25% for inside all the 5 divisions of Lagos State starting from on Sunday, March 17, 2024, and now because of to help the citizens of Lagos State to reduce the poverty and hardship where they happen for inside Nigeria. One Oyibo man wey im name be Biki Igbo on top social media don come dey happy dey celebrate say now im don become citizen of Nigeria and im don get im green passport. As im come dey yarn say plenty Nigerians dey tuama dey run comot from Nigeria dey go different foreign countries dem for abroad. Say but him with him family say they don't call Nigeria to stand down for Nigeria to help Nigeria with the bad economy where they happen.
Cho, Igbo Quinn, Igbo Crisono. I'm the only BK Igbo in all of Saskatchewan, Canada. I am so excited. Why, you ask? Because today in the mail, I finally got my Nigerian passport. Woohoo!
On top of this video where this lady they cry after where the landlord come provoke, come scatter, come break down the staircase where say she they use, they climb, they enter her house. So we never really know what really caused this big way make the landlord they provoke, they scatter the staircase where the girl they use, they enter inside her house. Now be small something for on top of this video where we say this helicopter where we say he landed, but the blade fan is still rotating. Now so one truck driver just can't drive close to where the helicopter park. We made the helicopter fan blade can't cut the truck open, but nobody wunjure up by on top this accident will happen. Mr. Ayobami Ogumoroti, 33 years old, will be graduate. We be saying work now to the sell akara. Don't come out con yarn in mind though. Why in start to the fry akara? Sin con talk. So after we say in graduate, say sin con not see work to work. Say na make am con just jelly the fry akara. So you go feed the see money. They use and they chop and they use and they do other things there. The United Kingdom Economic Police don't confirm say they don't arrest the white teenager boy. We say they see on top this video where they abuse another black boy. As in come blow the boy, the blood for him body. Come later, come tell and say making kiss in dirty boot. We say in wear, and there plenty white boys that we say they surround the boy, and none of them even hold this one. Say making stop what they do. As all of them come they laugh on top this video. Why the boy they kiss the boot of the white boy? Now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your night.